My name's Jasmine Ruby. I'm the Director of Client Services with the Licata Group, your professional real estate advisors. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we feature real estate content in the form of listing videos, home tours, tips for both buyers and sellers, as well as area information for those who live or are interested in living in Greater Virginia and more. In addition to these videos, we will work as a team to make the home buying and selling experience run as efficiently as possible. We are committed to finding the perfect home for first-time home buyers, seasoned and experienced home buyers within the Greater Virginia area. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to be informed every time we have a new video published. If you'd like to contact us, you can email us at info@licatagroup.com. You can call our office at 540-388-2541, or you can visit our website, licatagroup.com. Thanks for checking us out.